Hello everyone, I am Dr. Nalini Bengeri, Associate Professor and NAAC Coordinator, Government First Grade College, Rajnagar, Hubballi. Today I am going to explain some of the new guidelines of NAAC. Re-accreditation preparation should be started in fourth quarter or 6 months before validity period. Here I have mentioned December 21, it is validity period of our college. As our college has got NAAC accreditation in the year 2017 month May. So our validity period will be May 2nd, 2022. So we have to start the preparation from December 21. 1 or 2 months before validity period, fourth IIQA, that is Institutional Information and Quality Assessment, should be submitted. IIQA fee is rupees 29,500. If IIQA is rejected, what will happen? What next? If IIQA is rejected, HEI can submit it twice after first attempt with the same fees. After IIQA submission, only 45 days will be available for us to submit SSR, self-study report. So, we should first prepare our SSR and then submit IIQA. SSR should be uploaded as per the format in the portal of NAAC. If failed to submit the SSR within 45 days, we should start again from the submission of IIQA. For all this process, we need ISHA number. Our college has got ISHA number, so we can proceed. About new guidelines of NAAC. These new guidelines are affected is the new guidelines effective from 1/1/2020. That is, the colleges which are going for NAAC after 1/1/2020, they have to follow these guidelines. The revised assessment and accreditation framework was launched in July 2017 and implemented from January 2020. The main changes which have been implemented in new system are: NAAC valuation of HEIs is now 70% and 30%. Before it was 100% by peer team. 70% is by computer updating or system generated score. Those are called as quantitative metrics. This will be sent for DVV, data validation and verification. And rest 30% will be reviewed by peer team on site. Those are called as qualitative metrics. For UG colleges, some questions may be opted out. Those are called as optional metrics. This is applied only for quantitative metrics, not for qualitative metrics, because qualitative metrics are compulsory. DVV will be done by third party, not NAAC people or peer committee. The DVV will be done by computer software. DVV team may ask for clarification for data we provide. That is, if we provide a wrong data or irrelevant data, they may ask for clarification. To make simplification of NAAC process, size of the report, that is SSR size, and number of questions, and also the visit days of peer team have been reduced. Total questions for UG in SSR are 93. Among them, objective questions are 58 and subjective questions are 35. About pre-qualifier, the quantitative metrics of SSR, that is 70% of data will be sent for DVV process, data validation and verification process. After DVV process, a DVV deviation report will be generated. On the basis of the deviation report, the A&A process will proceed. A&A here means assessment and accreditation process will start. In this process, HEI should score at least 25%, that is out of 70%, we have to score at least 25%. That means we have to score out of 70 at least 17 or 18 marks. If not, HEI has to apply afresh by submitting the IIQA and its fees. After the DBB process, NAAC will intimate the HEI regarding the status of the pre-qualification. Only pre-qualified HEIs will enter the next round of assessment to be done by the peer team during their on-site visit. Thus, HEI will proceed for peer team visit. This time about students' feedback. Students' feedback this time will be collected online through triple S form, that is students satisfaction survey. This will be done by online. Triple S will start after the submission of IIQA. HEI will have to submit a database of students with email and mobile numbers at the time of filling of online SSR itself. That is, college has to produce the list of enrolled students with their mobile and email ID. The Triple S questionnaire will be emailed to all the students. They will collect feedback from 10% of the students or 100, whichever is lesser. That is, they may collect feedback from 10% of the total number of students or 100, whichever is lesser. In online feedback, there are 20 objective questions and 1 subjective question. That is, students have to answer totally 21 questions. Among them, 20 are objective questions and 1 is subjective question. Now, coming to peer team visit. Peer team visit should not exceed 3 months after clearance of pre-qualified stage. Based on the size and scope of academic offerings at the HEIs, the number of days and experts for on-site visit may vary from 2 to 3 days and 2 to 5 expert reviewing committee or expert reviewers visiting the institution. The peer team role would be very specific, now limited only to qualitative metrics, that is, only 30% will be valued by peer team. NAAC will disclose the details of the peer team members only 3 days before the scheduled PTV dates. That is, PTV here means peer team visit dates. HEI will not be responsible for logistics for visiting team. Henceforth, NAAC will directly take care of all the logistics regarding the peer team visiting the institutions. That is, this time college has nothing to do with the peer team caretaking. Everything will be looked after by NAAC. Their TADA, honorarium, etc. will be directly paid by NAAC. Final result of A&A will be an ICT based score, which is a combination of evaluation of QNM and QLM. QNM means quantitative matrix and QLM means qualitative matrix. That is, the result of NAAC will be given based on 70% of quantitative matrix and 30% of qualitative matrix result. Both will be included. And coming to criteria of the assessment, for the assessment, the criteria are same as in old scheme. There are totally 7 criteria, namely curricular aspects, teaching, learning and evaluation, research, innovations and extension, infrastructure and learning resources, student support and progression, governance, leadership and management, institutional values and best practices. These are 7 criteria. We have to be ready with our documents and files. This is about new guidelines of NAAC launched in the month of July 2017 and implemented from 1/1/2020. Thank you.